bit of a special one to show you here today. We've taken this in part exchange. Really nice gentleman. He's used it as a weekend car. He's taken it to some BMW shows with his son. Really nice car. It's got quite a few modifications on this one. So it's a 440i Coupe, Estroli blue, 2 owners from new, PPF'd, all the front's been PPF'd. Super car. We're going to start here at the back corner and carefully show you around, and I'm going to show you the paperwork, service history and what it's had done to it. It's got individual leather as well, this one. It's got the M-Performance exhaust there with the carbon tips. Say conditions really nice, as you can see. Wheels are all lovely, unmarked. The blue calipers there, part of the performance pack. VRS have done some work on the car, which I'll just show you in a few seconds, the invoice. And we have a factory tilt slide glass sunroof, which is very nice. Potenza tyres, Bridgestone Potenzas on there. Carbon bits on the top, carbon front. That's all been PPF'd as well. So the front of the car, I don't know if I can show you, has all been PPF'd, including these pillars up to here. I think the headlights have been done as well. Yeah, PPF on the headlights, you can just see there. Car's stunning, sounds superb. Front wheel, as I say, there's no marks on any of the wheels, they look really nice. So, 2 keys, all its handbook pack, service history. Here's a receipt here, an invoice from Motec Performance showing what has been done. So IBAC springs, £1,080, and then VRS Performance, that was done in March 22, stage 1 ECU calibration, VRS stage 1, and Gearbox software. £1,079.99. Also taken back to VRS in April 23 at 42,870 miles for a decent service there with brake pads, nearly £800. So being looked after properly. You can see on the dash there it's got heads-up display. What a car. So rear wheel, last wheel to show you. There's a little mark, yeah, a little polish mark just there, an inch long. Other than that, all good. So the tyres are good. Cameras on the car as well, there's one camera under there. And in the boot, everything that came off standard has been put into boxes there, so all the standard parts. First aid kit, one in triangle. I'll just stand back, give you a side view, then I'll show you the interior. Also got heated seats and heated steering wheel, this one. So there's quite a lot of options. I think the chap said there's 11 or 12,000. I think we'll list it on the advert on our website. So we've got a driver's electric seat, electric lumbar as well, with memory, individual leather. It's got like a weave on the seat there, and of course the piping, electric adjustment there. Same in the back, black headliner. It's also got the Harmon Kardon sound system. Fitted over carpet mats. It's lovely in there, unmarked. As I say, if you're watching this on YouTube, have a look at our website, justnicecars.co.uk, and there you'll find all the photos, a full description of exactly what the car's got. It's a really nice, well looked after car this, and drives fantastic. Nearly 440 brake horsepower. Any questions you have, if you please give us a call at the show, and we'll answer any questions for you if you'd like to come and have a look at it. Thank you very much for watching.